This is the BK Mueller 888-560 stem for the newer style BK Mueller faucets with the red handle. Now, a couple important things to notice about this newer style stem is on the end here, it will have those 3 threads. So you've got one there, one in the middle, and then one on the end right there. And then this one fell off, but you've got 2 of those metal washers there on each side of that packing. And that packing is rubber. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements, get a total length of the stem. So measuring from end to end, see this one measures right at 7.5 inches. And then we can also measure, you can kind of see the joint here. We'll measure just this end piece, and that will measure just at about 1.5 inches. And of course on this end you'll have that kind of set screw there with that rubber end, and then this end will be that squared piece there. And we can also get an outer diameter there that'll measure just shy of 1/4 inch, and then an outer diameter of this end with that rubber washer, and that'll measure right at 1/2 inch. Yeah, so once again, this is the BK Mueller 888-560 new style stem.